Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video on the OzGod channel. Today I'm gonna be doing one of the most real heart-to-heart videos that I've done ever. Even though I only have 5 videos, doesn't matter. I think this is gonna be the most serious video that I've done and the one that's gonna help out the most amount of people. Now I'm gonna be telling you guys how you guys could turn a 0.2 ETH, 0.3 ETH to 1 Ethereum. I'm gonna tell you guys how I did it, how I do it often, and why I think it's a pretty reliable strategy. Now obviously the NFT market's super volatile, so this video might not be accurate if you're watching it a couple months down the road, but as of recently, this is how I've done it 4 times in a row. So I just want to tell you guys how I did it, and I'm gonna explain it in the most easiest term that I can do it. But actually, guys, before I start, I want to thank you guys so much. This is my 6th ever YouTube video, and we're about to hit 100 subscribers. Like, I only have 5 videos out, and we're about to hit 100 subscribers in less than a week, and we're on, baby. This is what I'm teaching you. I'm giving you guys literally free gold in the NFT market. And let's get into it. Alright, guys, so we're in the OpenSea page, and there's 2 ways that I'm gonna be showing you guys. I'm gonna be showing you my way, and then I'm also gonna be showing you the way that a lot of people go, but in my opinion, I just don't think it's as good as the way that I'm doing it. Anyway, so we're gonna start with the way that most people do it, and that's obviously through buying mints. You're gonna have to go and mint projects. Now the reason that I don't like this is because it's super risky. Over 1,000 projects come out like every single day, it feels like, and honestly, picking the right one that's gonna go from 0.07 ETH all the way up to 0.2 is just not really valuable. You're risking so much for something that might bring you absolutely nothing. But the good thing about them is that if you do catch a good one with very little money, you can make a lot of money. The thing with me is, though, I would rather actually have a lot of things that tell me it's gonna do good, invest on that one, and then catch a bag that way, than having to guess on a bunch of projects that I really don't know about, and then boom, failing on a bunch, but maybe catching one that goes super good. We're gonna show an example of one project that if you would have minted, you would have been on a huge $20,000 bag. Now, if you guys have been in the NFT space at all, you guys definitely know about this project, the Mechaverse. I actually made a video about the project, and it's my highest viewed video of all time. I think it has like 1.5k views, which is absolutely insane. But yeah, the minting costed 0.2 Ethereum, and right now you can sell it for 5.5, and it ran up all the way to 9 Ethereum, has came down all the way to 2, but now is hanging out around that 5.5 Ethereum, which is around $20,000. The thing with these mints is that they're super sought after, so you're either gonna have to pay an insane amount of gas, you could lose an insane amount of gas, and the chance of you getting it is very low. So you're gonna have to be waiting so much and being involved in so many discords, and then at the end there's a chance you can't even mint one. I don't know if you guys remember a project, the Sevens. I tried to mint it, it was super hyped. It was like the second hypest project besides this one. I throw my gas, and my gas just disappeared. They took like $200 away from me. I was not able to mint a project, the gas was gone, and then the project ended up flopping 2 weeks after. That's one of the reasons that I really don't like to mint projects anymore. Obviously, you can get the rare ones. Mechaverse, it was an easy mint. Cryptopunks technically was a mint, and now it's the greatest project of all time. But I'm gonna show you guys the strategy that I've been doing, and it has been helping me catch projects like the groupies and also the humanoids. So I don't know, I'm just gonna tell you guys how I do it. This is not financial advice. If you don't like my strategy, just leave. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do if you want to catch NFT projects like I catched them, you have to go to the OpenSea homepage. Alright, so once you're in the homepage, go all the way down, and I only like to look at projects that are in the front page. So from number 1 to number 100, I scout that out every single day, multiple times a day. And this is typically what I do. I try to look for a project that's 1 week or younger. Alright, so this just came out. That's actually how I was able to catch the humanoids at 0.18. Alright, guys, so I found this project called Tropical Turtles, and as you can see, it's pretty old, so I would not buy into this one. So it came out 9/27, so I would have still bought it if I bought it all the way 9/30th, maybe even the 10th, but that's about it. After it goes to that, I just feel like the initial pump that I'm trying to ride out is not gonna be there anymore. Obviously, projects go up in value all the time, even if they're years old. That doesn't matter. Actually, if you have an old project, 2017, 2018, it's even better than having one of these younger ones. But for the strategy that I'm trying to use, I try to find a young project. Now, one of the other things that I like to look at is the amount of volume. I want to see this thing getting eaten up at that low pricing. So low pricing, I would count anywhere from 0 to 0.25 ETH. I just want to see get eaten up. As you can see down here, this project would just simply not pass. The last time it got bought up was an hour ago. So once I see a project that's fairly new, couple days old, hasn't seen an initial pump, and the freaking volume is up like crazy. Person bought it 30 seconds ago, 1 minute, 5 minutes. When I see people start buying it like that, that's the second clue that I get that I'm like, all right, people are eating this up. Floor still relatively low. Project is brand new. The third thing that I do after that is I go to their Discord. And now there's a few ways that I look at Discords. I don't just look at members. I actually barely look at the members. So I would join their Discord. Here we go. I'm in the general chat, and what I would really like to look at is people texting this minute. So I join and there's people talking. Simple as that. That's what I look for. As you can see here, it's been 2 minutes since the last message was sent, which obviously is not bad at all. What I'm trying to find, for what I'm trying to look for, I want people talking there and back. Like, I want it to be back and forth talk. Also, I'll try to see what they're talking about. I don't want just these kids talking about the floor. I don't like that. I like to hear that we're actually organically growing, not just a promotion from a random influencer. I like to hear that's an actual organic growth, and that's what I try to look for. As you can see, still no one has texted, and what these people are typing messages about is saying, let's go raid Twitter. I'm sorry, that's the lamest thing ever. I'm not buying this. You guys are whack. You guys are trying to raid Twitter, trying to make it seem like you guys are something. You guys aren't growing organically. Your Twitter is dead. So yeah, as you guys can see, this project I would have definitely not bought, but let's just say it passed all 3 of those. This one is going to be subjective, and you guys are going to have to use your vision, and you guys are going to have to use your intuition, and just kind of what you guys think is going to pop. Once you start to understand how humans react to different projects and how the vibe of the project is, you can kind of get a feel of what's going to do good. Now, obviously, art is subjective. I could see this doing good just because of a couple projects that come out that look like this, but I'm going to be completely honest. This looks like it was made on Fiverr. I give this project a no-go, but the biggest strength that it has to this, I guess it would be the art. The art is kind of cool. I kind of like it, maybe somewhat. Yeah, if it checks all 3 of those boxes, I would most definitely buy a couple, ride them out until I feel like I've made enough profit and I don't see that growth happening anymore. I sell there and move on to the next one. It's as easy as that. You can have a project that 100x until you sell, you haven't made any money. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. This is my 6th ever video on YouTube, and I really appreciate it because we were almost at 100 subscribers. So I'm super excited about that. I don't know why I filmed it out here. Normally I'm at my studio, but I wanted to film outside today, so I filmed outside. Anyways, guys, please subscribe to the channel, follow my Twitter, follow my Instagram, all that. Follow me on Twitter. I post NFT content, and then also my TikTok. I guess that's my main social media page. But anyways, guys, till next time, peace out, everybody.